Hi, my name is DeShawn Bullard, President and CEO of NeuroTrust Products and NeuroTrust Salon and Hair Clinic. Today, we're going to walk you through our process of giving women back their smile, giving women back their confidence, and helping them experience beautiful hair again.
Hi, my name is Julia Dudley, and I'm currently experiencing permanent hair loss. I've been experiencing permanent hair loss now for 12 years. Started off with just a few strands here and there, and now I have permanent baldness in the top of my head. I first noticed my permanent hair loss in 1989, maybe about 2 or 3 months after having a hysterectomy. I started noticing that my hair was thinning at the top. To resolve the problem, first I tried doing hair weaves. That was continually taking my hair out, and I kept noticing I was getting consistent bald spots in area. From that point, I started doing wigs. So I've actually been bald, completely bald now, for the last 12 years. This is what my hair looks like now. As you can see, I'm completely bald at the top of my head. The experience of losing my hair has been really devastating. That's the only word I can describe. That it has been devastating, emotionally and physically, because it's an embarrassment, even when there's nobody but me, to take my scarf off my head in the mornings and there's no hair there. I come to NeuroTrust Hair Salon and Clinic because it gives me my confidence back. My first experience with it, having the replacement put on, I literally cried. When I turned around and looked in the mirror, I couldn't believe that it was me. That was my old self again. It gave me confidence again, to go out and think that I was the diva that I already think I am. As I come back repeatedly, each time it's like a brand new experience for me.
At the clinic, what we do is we transform women's lives one strand at a time. We provide a private room because if you lose your hair, you lose your confidence. And you don't want to sit in a salon in an area where other women are looking at you like a spectacle because you don't have any hair. So what we do is we provide a private room, such as this that I'm sitting in, and we allow these women to be transformed, renewed, and restored, and beautified, as what I would say.
I remember how it was when I took my scarf off to show you guys exactly what it was that I was dealing with my hair. And now that I've got my replacement on, it just makes me feel, I guess I want to say it makes me feel human again, and it gives me confidence. Now I'm about to tear up because I remember what it looked like this morning when I came in. Now I can walk out of here with confidence again, that I think that I'm pretty, and that's all that matters. Doesn't matter to me what the next person thinks. Right now I think that I'm pretty, and it's all due to having hair. And I don't know what anybody else thinks, but it's all due to having hair now.
When your hair is falling out, breaking, or shedding, or especially if you have extreme hair loss, you need a full team like us. Hair transformers that transform the lives of women one strand at a time. We're your hair rescue team. We provide hair help on a daily basis. Call us. We're here to serve. Are you having problems with your hair and need our team to restore your crown? Email us at restoringcrowns@NeuroTrust.com, and you may be selected for our next episode.